Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Calling the world's economic outlook gloomy and more uncertain, the International Monetary Fund said it was downgrading its global economic growth projections for both 2022 and 2023. Bitcoin miners are still looking to set up operations in Texas, despite recent heat waves, but more sustainable techniques may help improve circumstances moving forward. Sterling reached more than 2-week highs, but was confined in recent trading ranges as analysts assessed the prospect of a 50 BPS rate hike by the Bank of England. Against the backdrop of a worsening economic outlook, the Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Volkswagen shares gain 0.7%. The MACD is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT. Australia's Consumer Price Index at 0130 GMT. The US durable goods orders will be released at 1230 GMT. Germany's 10Y bond auction at 0930 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.